everyone, welcome back. I am so excited that everybody knows now I'm moving to Florida. We're both very excited. We came by and stopped by the apartment today. We got the keys today, so we're very, very excited. But I thought I would give you guys an apartment tour, an empty apartment tour. Obviously, I'm gonna do little things to touch it up, but this is what it looks like right now, completely bare as we are going to move in. So. Caught in an action, I can't rewind on. And in my head, I'm screaming, but out of my mind, I'm still too young to feel this way. Okay, so first here we have a storage unit outdoors, which is super nice. Oh, goes all the way up 9 feet high. So we have some storage, which we're super excited to get bicycles and bike around town. So come on in, we'll show you. All right, okay, so this is the front entrance, little hallway here. So walking in to the left here, we have a little closet, which is really nice. A little storage closet, we have to get the door fixed, but has shelves, some floor space, which is super nice. Next we'll come into the kitchen. So this area will be a breakfast nook, but we're gonna use it as our dining room table. So we're gonna put a dining room table here, a little high top table. So that will be right here. And then here's the kitchen. I have lots of ideas for here. I'm really excited. I've been watching so many decor YouTube videos. But here's the kitchen, pretty standard, but I love it. It's nice and open so that when both my boyfriend and I are in here, we're not like running into each other like some of those other apartment style kitchens. But yeah, good cabinet space, nice and clean, which I really like too. These ones I can reach, which is also good. Then we have the fridge and freezer. And then on this side, it comes with a microwave, which is super nice. We don't have to buy that. And then in here is actually our washer and dryer unit. I'm really excited to have a unit in the apartment. So here are our washers and dryers. Pretty standard, which I love. And then this closet is just the water heater, nothing fancy. Yeah, I'm really excited that we don't have to share a washer and dryer with all the other residents. All right, so then coming into the living room here, we have this bar area. So here we're gonna put the 2 extra high top chairs that we will have at the table so that when guests come over, we just have them and we can bring them over or whatever, we have extra seating. So we want the same bar stools here as we would at the dining room table over there. And then we have this giant living room. Guys, I come from Massachusetts, so this apartment space is huge, especially for the amount we're paying, like so much more affordable than Massachusetts. So we have this cute little nook here, and we're still thinking about what we want to do. We're thinking of making a little bar cart area / fry bar and just some storage for over here. And then on this side, having the couch and the TV. So having the couch right here. I'm super excited. We just got a new couch that we'll be picking up soon. So that will be here. It's kind of an L shape. Okay, this is my favorite part, you guys, the balcony. It is huge. What I love about this apartment is that it's 9-foot ceilings, so it doesn't feel really small. I don't love these shade things, but we're gonna get some of our own. Okay, so my plan is to just have these open all the time and put up my own sheer curtains. Anyways, look how big this is, you guys. Let's go out. This is one of the biggest decks I saw, or patios that I saw when we were both touring apartments. Again, I have lots of plans for how to make it nice out here, starting with some of the flooring, and I'll make a bunch of videos about that. But this is the patio. Again, huge high ceilings. And what else I love is that there's no neighbors on either side of us. There's neighbors above us and below us, but not on either side. See, we just have some view of the woods, which is really nice. I'm excited about because we'll have some privacy. We'll probably have more bugs this way, but I really like that we have the space to come to our own. Look how high the ceilings are. So it doesn't feel really small. All right, we can head back inside, but I'm really excited about having outdoor space. We'd love to have breakfast outside. Let's go into the master bedroom now. This is off the living room. So here we have the master bedroom, which is a pretty good size, actually. So the model room had a king in here, and we have a queen. So we're thinking of putting the queen right here, TV on that wall, some side tables, and that's kind of it. I want to keep it nice and open in here. But again, I love the windows. It's nice and bright in here. Some of the apartments we were looking at were really dark, so I like that this one's really bright. And then here is my favorite part, every girl's dream, a beautiful walk-in closet. It's kind of dark, but it's huge, you guys. Look at this. But I'm so excited to have a full walk-in closet that we can both share. Yes, my boyfriend will have space for his clothes too, don't worry. And then on this side is the bathroom. So a really big bathroom, super echoey in here right now. But I love all of this counter space. I'm really excited about this. And then it has good storage here. Again, lots of plans on how to maximize storage. And then in here, there's also a medicine cabinet for extra storage. And then if you come on in, we have a giant tub, which I'm super excited about because I love to take baths. That's part of my self-care routine, taking baths. Then we also have a closet. This is being fixed today. This door doesn't quite stay on, but I'm really excited that we have more storage for towels and linens and things like that because, again, a lot of apartments that we saw did not have storage. So I'm really excited about that and excited for that door to be fixed. All right, heading back out. Going back through the living room. So on the other side of the living room, we have a second bedroom. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath apartment. So this is kind of what will be the guest room nook. So coming in here, it's this awkward doorway, but in here is the guest bathroom. So not quite as big, but still really good size. It's not too small. More storage, another medicine cabinet, and another pretty good size shower and tub. And then over here is going to be the guest room and our offices. So we really wanted to have a second bedroom because both of us have been working from home since COVID, so we really wanted to be able to have desk spaces. And then we're also gonna put a pull-out bed or futon, some sort of bed so that when our guests come, they have somewhere to stay. Not quite sure of the layout, but this is a huge room again. And I actually really like that they have ceiling fans because it's hot here. And then huge windows letting in lots of light, which I also like. And again, I like that we're facing the woods because I don't have to be worried people are staring at us. Okay, and then over here, this also has a walk-in closet, which is awesome too. So we won't be using this as a closet necessarily, but more for storage, just to have extra space. So yeah, and then we go back out through here, again through this little corridor, and we're back to center. So yeah, that is my apartment tour. We are so excited. This is a huge leap. We have never lived anywhere other than New England, and we do have family in the area, so we're super excited to be near them. And now you guys know my mom is moving down too. If you haven't seen my last video, go check it out. I will link it down below, and I'll also link it right here. But I'm so excited. It doesn't even feel real yet that this is our place. And I'm excited to fill it with all of our stuff, and I'll explain more about all of that later, but here it is. We're finally Florida residents. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed seeing my new apartment, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!